Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting essentials: device model, OS, and a high-resolution image. Download the image at target resolution. If it's larger, resize now to 2160 x 3840 or closest match. Install a file manager and an image editor so you can crop and export. Once done, move the image into an easy folder on your device. Make sure permissions allow the Wallpaper app to read files. This immediate setup prevents format mismatches later and saves time when applying the wallpaper. You next focus on detailed edits. Open the image in your editor and set the aspect ratio to match the screen, 16:9 or a custom ratio depending on device. Crop to emphasize the subject while leaving safe margins so icons and widgets don't obscure key details. Adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness subtly. Heavy filters can clip colors. Export at high quality as PNG or JPG, and keep the color profile intact so the wallpaper looks the same on your screen as in the editor. You finish by applying the wallpaper through the system settings or a wallpaper app. Always preview home and lock screens to confirm alignment. If the image shifts with parallax or scrolling, turn off motion or use the static option and recrop if necessary. If colors or crop look wrong, clear the Wallpaper app cache, restart your device, and re-export the file at exact dimensions. One quick troubleshooting tip: re-export with an added 50-100px margin if the system crops unpredictably. That usually fixes misalignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.